Now your institution has undertaken a most fascinating project. I must congratulate you on that. And that is to date Vedic and epic events through astronomical calculations. So it's like carbon dating. It's a sort of astronomical correlate of carbon dating. Carbon dating can tell you immediately by a certain process how old that object is. Now what you have done, as far as I understand, is you've tried to look through the Vedas and particularly the Puranas and the epics to see what constellation of stars and planets were described. And then once you had fixed those, then working backward through your computers, you try to find out when that could have happened. Because the exact constellations would not recur for I don't know, 100,000 years or whatever. So this is a unique and fascinating way of trying to map the timeline, as it were, of our events. And I looked through this first volume, Historicity of Vedic and Ramayan eras. I find it very, very fascinating because it seems to cover, not only does it cover the historical events, but it covers a whole lot of areas like plants and political structures and human settlements and arts and crafts and genealogy of rulers and what science and technology existed then. So we have certainly no need to be in any way defensive about our civilization, and we've created such extraordinary things. Even 1,000 years ago, the Brihadeshwara temple was built in Tanjavur and Angkor Wat was built in Siem Reap in Cambodia. 1,000 years ago. I don't think we can build that today with all our technology and all our computers. I don't think we can build a Brihadeshwara temple. So the capacity to create the tremendous pluralistic diversity of our culture, the basic philosophical concept that there are multiple paths to the truth, that is extremely important. We are a dialogic civilization, remember that. We are not a revelatory civilization. In a revelatory civilization, there is a revelation and you either take it or you leave it. But in a dialogic civilization, you can keep asking questions. The Upanishads, for example, are a series of very sharp dialogues between students and pupils, asking fundamental and difficult questions. The whole of the Gita is a dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna. So the fact that we are a dialogic civilization means that we can continue to ask questions and we do not have to be afraid of any consequences for doing that.